I'm still going to talk a little bit.
That's fine.
You can film.
That's totally fine.
So that's the sweet spot there, and you want to clean with an alcohol swab. And if it looks like it's dirty, that just means that you have skin. Okay. It's going to look dirty every single time you do it, and that's totally fine. You want it to be fully dry so that if you blow on it, you don't feel it.
Okay.
Squeeze your skin up like that.
Okay.
Nothing too tight. And then, do you want me to give you a 1, 2, 3, go? Or do you want me to just do it?
Hold on.
Sure. Okay. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, go in.
Oh wow.
Release.
Oh.
Stabilize. You don't want to blast your medication in because it's...
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Ow.
Because it's so thick and oily. And you see that big drop there? That's just because there was so much medication on the outside of the needle.
Ooh.
So you can just press there
for
a second.
Fun.
And we'll get a Band-Aid on, and then you're done.
Oh wow.
Some people get a little bit of bruising with subcutaneous shots. Some people get nothing. Some people get a little bit of bruising, so we'll just see what happens to you. But it's totally fine to get a little bruise. And
How do you feel?
I got my first tea shot, babe. It felt so good.
Did it?
It felt so. I mean, it hurt.
Yeah.
I'm like so happy. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Don't look at me like.
Babe, I got my t-shirt. Baby. Babe, I'm so happy. Baby. It feels so good. Give me a kiss. Oh my god. I just want to get my glow. Do you see my glow right here? I'm glowing. Cause I'm so happy. It hurts, but it's so fucking great.
Yeah, it's a good hurt, right?
No, yeah.
It's the best kind of hurt. It's the slap my ass daddy hurt.
So I got my shot at 420.
Ooh, shit, please.
Fuck. I'm gonna my vape. We gotta get our vape out.
Did you bring it?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Oh fuck. We'll get that footage in a second. It's my birthday. And for my birthday, I got Taco Bell because Katie loves me. Oh, you're already eating.
I'm hungry.
I know. All right, let's go. Let's watch some Shane.
It's very exciting. This is something that we've never done before. Gucci haul!
Look, it's Haida.
Wow, what a good boy. Oh, what a beautiful boy. Oh, he's holding onto your hand. He loves you. Ah, he's like, come back. Should I take off my shirt? No, you don't want me to take off my shirt?
No.
Oh, wow. Okay, first of all.
Later.
Later? I'm quite off. Look at that shit. Okay, I have Katie back there reading questions or whatever. I'm looking here and also at you, so like, whatever. I got shot in the leg. Okay, go ahead, Katie. What's my gender? FtM, trans masculine. Basically, I'm a boy. Gender expression, I like dressing femininely, and like I like pink and I like pretty things, but like recently I'm like sort of getting into like masculine things because I like passing sometimes. What's my sexuality? Pan.
You.
I'm pan-tran, except I'm dating Katie. Oh, fucking needle anxiety? Okay, so like a lot of people have been asking me about like my needle anxiety. People have needle anxiety. So it's like, they're scared to go on Tea because one of like the few options we have is injections. And I'm like, I get shot in the body every week because that's scary. I don't know, it's not as bad. It doesn't hurt actually that much. You only feel it for like a second and it's not like that bad as you think. It's mainly the anxiety, you know what I mean? Like once you're like there where like I need tea so bad, I'm willing to stab myself in the leg or in my stomach for this shit, you know? It's fucking worth it. So I don't have any tips on how to get over that except watch videos and like practice on yourself.
Hashtag worth it.
It's worth it. It's worth stabbing yourself. I get shot in the leg, thigh area, or my stomach area every other week. And I have to do it for the next 3 months, so not weekly because I told them I have a fear of needles. That's another thing. I told them I have a fear of needles and oh shit! They gave me the option to do gel and like topical testosterone, but like the requirements to do that was not fitting for our lifestyles and unfortunately had to do the shots. I mean, I feel like I prefer shots besides that anyway, all considering. You talk to your doctor. They'll explain it to you.
Your hopes and also your worries.
On Tea, I just want to like be gendered correctly in public more often. And what I'm worried about is that I won't. I'm worried that I might like not like the changes I have, but I'm hopeful that I will. It's not that deep. It's my first video.
Family, friends, and work.
Oh, like social. So like, I guess I can be like my social status right now. So like, I'm out to my friends, obviously. I moved out here to like be myself around my friends kind of thing. My work currently doesn't know about this stuff. I was gonna tell them today because I felt right, but then couldn't like do it today. So maybe I'll do it like this Friday, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it this Friday. I don't know. I mean, I want to tell them, so, because changes are gonna happen soon. My main family knows, and that was a whole thing. It came out in January. Like, my siblings already knew for like a long time, mainly my sister. My older brother and my younger sister are very supportive. And then, give me a smile and a smirk over there because my parents aren't really excited. They're not that excited about it. I mean, I told them I was gonna do my tea shot like yesterday. They didn't respond very well to that. Oh, and my extended family, I don't know if they know, and I don't care if they know or not, honestly. Oh, my aunts! Fuck, my aunts! Okay, so, I have 2 aunts that are very close to me. And they're very gay. They're the first ones I kind of knew also with my little sister. And they helped me come out to my parents and that was really fun. Not really.
It wasn't fun.
It wasn't fun, but
You
like...
called me.
I called you and I cried. Okay, that's a different video, first of all. We're not talking about coming out, but like that's where my family, friends, and work are at right now, status-wise. Well...
Physical, mental, emotional.
Obviously, okay, so obviously all those things, I don't have any changes because I'm fucking 22 hours on Tea right now, so... But like... Emotionally, I feel different because like, not like because of Tea, but just because I'm like my life is happening now. Like I've been waiting for this like for my whole, like literally my whole life. Like I didn't know I needed this, but like I needed this kind of thing. And like even my sister said, you've wanted this your whole life since I've known you, and she's like fucking 15. And I'm 21. Mentally, I mean I still have the same mental problems before Tea, but I'll let you know if anything changes. Surgery, I want top surgery really bad. I gotta figure out like what my top surgery situation is. I don't really have any plans for bottom surgery right now or any other surgery. I just want this gone. This is my focus right now. These are only things that I came up with for my first thing for like myself, but like if anyone else wants anything else that I could like add in here that you're curious about, I mean do it mainly for me, but like if you guys are interested about my journey, you can ask me questions for my next monthly update. First of all, since I want to put this on video and record this before it goes away, I'm gonna say hi, welcome to Chili's. What was that, Katie?
Hi, welcome to Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's.
Are we gonna miss that when that's gone?
Yes.
Oh.
But maybe not.
Oh.
We'll see.
We'll see how if my voice is sexy. Yeah, what's your preference for body hair?
It's whatever. Some people have hair and some people are like sparse with hair. I don't care.
You want me to have facial hair?
I mean, that can be cute.
Yeah, I think it'd be cute.
It can be.
Wow, what a supportive girlfriend. I'm gonna do like a haul with my things while Katie searches for clothes because she has to go to work in like 10 minutes. They gave me some free things. This came in here, but I took it out and I already put this together. It's a sharps container because you gotta put your needles that go into your body into here. It looks scary. Look at that. Look at those symbols.
Biohazard.
Biohazard.
They gave me gloves, which I don't need unless someone else is touching me. They gave me some alcohol wipes and some gauze and some band-aids. We didn't pay for anything at all trans-related except for the injection by the nurse. They gave me 4 syringes and I got some needles to extract the testosterone. We're gonna have to get the actual testosterone. I'll have it right now, next week or something. And they gave me these small needles to like put into my skin. Look how small it is. Look at it. Here's my thumb for comparison. You see that little slither right there? That's how big it is. It's not that scary at all, honestly. Like, they gave me options to like have like needles like this long and really thick. If you're scared of needles, get the smaller one, the sub-Q ones, not the IM ones, okay? They gave me they gave me some suckers and condoms and they were like, do whatever you want with these. They also gave me lube. Sick! I wonder what flavors the lollipops are. There's very, very cherry and also perfectly peach. So obviously I'm getting cherry because I like cherry and you like peach. Cheers. Okay, put your get out of here. Oh, I want to show you the colors of the condoms. They gave me 2 pink ones because they know me. I actually stole like 2 condoms for my first visit when they had to draw my blood out and everything. And I got blue and the green one. I wonder why.
You know what I mean?
I had to do that before it goes. Wait, fuck. I think that's it.
Sick. I'm gonna go.
Bye, Katie. You're the best girlfriend. She drives me to my appointments because I can't drive. I grabbed a snack. I'm hungry. Oh my god, the doctor she had the little doctor thing that goes to your ears and also to your heart, and she put the metal part onto my belly because I was laying down. And as soon as that metal part touched my belly, she was like, are you hungry? Because she heard like my stomach. I didn't hear it because I didn't audibly growl or anything, but she was like, are you hungry? I'm like, bitch, I'm always hungry. And you know what? That's gonna be 3 times as bad because testosterone makes you extra hungry because you're going through a second puberty. It sucks. Might be a placebo effect right now, but like my throat is like getting a little itchier even though it's been like 22 hours. And obviously I'm not gonna get a voice drop in like a week or anything. Oh my god. So like all of you on like social media are like so nice to me. What did I do to deserve you? Oh my god. I thought I was excited, but like y'all being excited for me makes me like so happy. I didn't think anyone would care because like so many people are doing this stuff and I don't know how common it is, but to me it's very common because I see this shit all the time because I'm trans myself. But like you guys are so interested in like my journey and I'm like so excited to make these videos for you. So excited for my changes and stuff. I'm not gonna get sappy and gross here, but like that's the only part of sappy and gross. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. A lot of you guys don't know this, but like the reason why I don't correct people in the comments I'm actually like a guy is because like I understand where they're coming from. Hopefully like in the future, once I am more confident in myself with my masculinity, I will start correcting people. But right now, I don't feel need to. I'm not gonna fight anybody about it, so. I'm gonna do monthly updates. I might upload this to my main channel and then do the monthly updates on our second channel. Maybe like on my 1 year, I'll post it on this channel again. So Katie's gone right now. And I know she doesn't want me to do this, but like I want to do this for this part only. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the thing that I've been wanting to do for so long. Here we go. Like, comment, and subscribe. Is this inappropriate? I don't think it is. I don't have like a cool phrase that I can say to like compare my voice over the course of a couple of years. I don't have anything special to say, so I'm just gonna say this. Okay. Hi, my name is Tea Valino, and this is my voice one day on testosterone. Oh my god, that's so gay. I hate this. Testosterone. I want testosterone. Also, did you see my nails? Look at them. I painted them trans colors because I was so hyped. Also, they have hearts on the middle fingers. I still like painting my nails. Shut up. Actions aren't gendered. Clothes aren't gendered. Actions aren't gendered. Let's do like one more take and then I'll be done. Hi, my name is Tea Valino, and this is my voice one day on testosterone. Future T, if you're wondering, this is your acne right now. Look at this. Take care of yourself, biatch. Get the Lush shit. The Lush shit will work, maybe. Look at this. What the hell's wrong with you? Get your shit together. I also have really bad back acne and like chest acne. Fix yourself, God.